Japan is known as one of the cleanest, calmest, and most organized countries in the world. Why? Because they live by simple habits and minimalist traditions that make life feel lighter, easier, and happier. Today, I'll share 15 amazing Japanese minimalist living hacks that you can start using right now. Minimalism in Japan isn't just about empty rooms or fewer things. It's a way of life, rooted in respect, balance, and intention. And the beauty of it is, these hacks are easy. You don't need to move to Tokyo or Kyoto to live like this. You can bring these habits into your home today. Ready? Let's explore.
Hack 1. Osuji, the year-end cleanse. In Japan, people clean their homes deeply at the end of each year. Not just to tidy up, but to welcome the new year with fresh energy. Try it yourself. Even a seasonal deep clean can reset your mind. Hack 2. The Genkan ritual. At every Japanese home, shoes come off at the entrance. It keeps the house clean and creates a small moment of mindfulness before entering your space. Less dirt, less chaos, more peace. Hack 3. The art of space. Japanese design values empty space as much as filled space. An empty corner, a bare shelf, it's not wasted, it's breathing room. Learn to celebrate emptiness instead of rushing to fill it. Hack 4. The KonMari method. Marie Kondo's famous practice, keep only what sparks joy. It's not about throwing things away. It's about curating a home that makes you smile. Hack 5. Simple tea time. The Japanese tea ritual isn't just about tea. It's a pause, a way to slow down. Try creating a small daily ritual with your favorite drink. It grounds you. Hack 6. Multifunctional furniture. Small Japanese apartments use folding tables, sliding doors, futons that tuck away. Think multifunctional. One item, many uses. Less clutter, more space. Hack 7. Natural light and nature inside. Japanese homes often embrace sunlight, plants, and natural textures. It makes even the smallest space feel alive. Bring in a plant, open a curtain, watch your mood lift. Hack 8. Waste separation discipline. Japan is famous for strict recycling. People separate plastics, cans, glass, even food scraps carefully. It's a small daily habit that teaches respect for the environment. Hack 9. Kaiseki mindset. Small portions, big appreciation. Meals in Japan are often served in small dishes. The idea, enjoy variety, but with balance and moderation. Try downsizing portions. You'll waste less, savor more. Hack 10. Omiyari, consideration for others. Minimalism isn't just about things, it's about behavior. Omiyari means living with thoughtfulness, making choices that don't disturb others. A simple example is keeping noise low at night or not blocking walkways. Hack 11. One in, one out rule. In many Japanese homes, when something new comes in, something old goes out. This keeps homes uncluttered, even in small spaces. Hack 12. Furo bath ritual. A Japanese bath isn't just about cleaning, it's about soaking, relaxing, and resetting the spirit. Turning your bath or shower into a mindful ritual can feel like therapy. Hacks 13. Bento box organization. Lunches in Japan are neatly packed in compartments. The same principle applies to drawers and storage. Separate, organize, simplify. A box within a box keeps chaos away. Hack 14. Wabi-sabi mindset. Wabi-sabi is the beauty of imperfection. A cracked bowl, a worn table. These aren't flaws, they're stories. Instead of chasing perfection, learn to love what's real. Hack 15. Living small, living big. Many Japanese families thrive in small apartments. They prove you don't need a giant house to live well. It's not about size, it's about how you use the space.
And that's the secret. Japan shows us that happiness isn't about having more.
It's about living with respect, intention, and space for what matters. Even if you try just one of these hacks, like removing shoes at the door or practicing the one-in, one-out rule, you'll feel a difference. It's not about being perfectly minimalist. It's about feeling lighter, calmer, more present. Japan teaches us this simple truth. A clean space creates a clear mind, and a clear mind makes room for joy. So which of these Japanese minimalist hacks will you try first?